Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back for yet another hair video. I want to give you guys all the details about this hair. I actually want to make it quick because these kids are making a lot of noise. It's the holidays, they're home for like 2 months. Anyway, I got mini twists with extensions on them. I know most of you will be asking me, which one did you use? Which one did you use? I actually use the Lash hair and Masaku. I actually use Lash, Masaku, the Afro Bulk collection. I use the color 1 to get this twists going. As you can see, wait. I've already bedazzled the front of my hair. I'm not finished doing the back of my hair. I actually love this hair. It is so light, so easy to sleep with. It is so versatile. It is one of those protective styles that can last you up to a month and a half if you take care of it properly. And the reason I got this hair is because every time I do mini twists on my hair usually shrinks up, or it doesn't have enough frizz to be as full as this hair. That's why I got the mini twist with the extension using the Afro Bulk hair. Now I know most of you are wondering what about the cost. I got the hair from Bestie Lady at 400 shillings for the pack. Now the pack will depend on how long you want. As you can see, the hair is pretty long. It's just for my hair length, which is actually here, my hair is actually armpit length, and as you can see, both sides the hair is actually quite stretchable. So all this is shrinkage, and I still love the length. I really love the length. I used one pack of the hair because I didn't want to add too much extensions because I have a lot of hair. So for each hair I did a bit of extension, if you get what I'm saying. And I didn't want to go past my hair length like a lot. I didn't want it to reach here. I wanted something versatile, but if you want the longer the length, the more packets you require. Also, depending on the size of the hair that you do, I did medium size. For the cost of the limit will actually depend on where you go to. And now there are two methods of you doing this hair. I will touch it. If you're doing this hair at home, you can either, as you can see what my salonist did, she did braid the bottom part of my hair and then added the extension onto it. You can also crochet the hair. I think I'll show you on an example. I have the crochet pin over there. As I told you guys earlier, I'll be showing you two ways in which you can do this hair on your own at home. The mini twist with extension, one with crochet, and one the way that my salonist did it. Okay guys, so now we are back. I just undid the two braids that I'm going to show you, the two methods. As you can see, she plaited down below. And another thing to note is when I did this hair, I did actually blow dry my hair because the hair is actually pretty soft. As you can see, this is the hair I just undid. Okay, let me just it's pretty soft, so if I did blow dry my hair, it would actually be slipping off and it would not be as neat and as tight as I'd want it at the bottom. So we didn't actually blow dry my hair for that reason. You can actually blow dry your hair, just as if you're doing it at home. I'd recommend, if you're blow drying your hair, do the crochet process, because that would mean that the hair would still be tight at the bottom. But if you're going to do the first method that I'm going to show you, I'd recommend just using water and leave-in conditioner to smoothen out your hair and just braid it normally to avoid the slip of the hair. So for the first method, I'm going to show you how to do this hair at home without using the crochet method. I'll just take, let's see, a piece of hair. Yes, you guys can see me. My hair is braided at the bottom, as I told you guys, so I'll use that to braid a bit with the added hair. So like this, I'll just do a 3-strand twist, as you guys can see. This will just ensure that the hair is tightly fixed at the bottom. We'll do maybe a couple more sets. That's the amount I'm going to do, and then from there I'll just twist the hair as I normally would. Now when using this hair, as you can see from the packet, it's pretty long, and that's what you achieve at the end. Just the normal 2-strand twist. I did cut the hair in half. I actually thought that would be enough, but for the length that I wanted, I had to extend the hair. So once we reach half, for my length that is, I'll just add in more hair and continue twisting. So that's it for the first method on how to do this hair. As you can see, it seamlessly blends in with my natural hair. That's one method of doing this hair on your own at home. The next method I'm going to be showing you guys is the crochet method. Once again, you will start with braiding the bottom part of your hair. Take in your braiding hair, take a crochet pin, crochet the hair in, sit through the hair, so pass it through the hair, take the hairpiece, pass it through. You actually don't have to braid it again, just twist it down the line. As you can see, just twist it with your hair in the hair, still tight at the bottom. The hair doesn't tangle at all. See, it easily separates. Just twist it. Tension. Just and twist. So that's it, guys. Those are the 2 methods of which if you want to do this hair on your own at home, you can do it. You can either do the crochet method or you can do the braided method and the twist method. I love this hair so much. It is so versatile. It is so light. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say hello. You're trying to leave this. I said this. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby. That's what they grab hold of my hand. And that's what never flow was ours. They say it don't really take. Just one bus now. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now I need a little tighter. Don't be afraid of. That's it. That's all the details of this hair. I love it so much. It is so versatile and easy to style. I can't wait to style this hair with you guys. And that's all the deets of my mini twists with extensions. See you guys on my next video.